banks in Nigeria may see their operations and revenues dip from the 1st of March. A group of consumer rights protection organizations are asking Nigerians to boycott the banks in protest over excessive charges and unexplained fees that they levy in the country. It's being called the No Banking Day, and it aims to draw the attention of the government and the Central Bank of Nigeria to take action over charges and fees imposed on customers who do have retail bank accounts. Deji Patmos sat down with the organizer of the campaign to talk about this planned protest.
We've been getting a whole lot of complaints from Nigerian consumers about the kind of services they receive from banks and the incessant charges that they don't understand, that the banks continuously charge them for transactions, whether they know about it or they don't. There's been issues of people trying to take money from the ATMs, and the ATMs don't dispense, and the banks don't refund the money for months after the machines have failed. There have been issues of people being charged for multiple times by ATM withdrawals. There's just been a whole lot of these issues that we feel is taking advantage of the fact that Nigerians don't normally complain, and they kind of bear everything, every time. But I think right now there's still just a little too much, and Nigerian consumers have been very vocal about not wanting any of this to continue.
On the 1st of March, what should we expect to see?
What we are calling on Nigerian consumers to do is, as much as possible, avoid any banking transaction on any platforms, because all the platforms, every time you make contact with any bank platform, you are charged for something or the other. If it's by ATM, they charge you for withdrawal. If it is online, they charge you for a transaction online. If you walk into the branch, they charge you for the forms that you fill to transfer your own money. So we're asking Nigerian consumers to show their displeasure by not going for conducting any banking transaction on that day. Don't go to your ATM. Don't go to the branches. Don't do any online transaction. Don't write a check on the 1st. Don't collect a check on the 1st. Postpone everything till the 2nd day. Because we know that if we all collectively avoid the banks for just one day, it affects their profit. And if it affects their profit, they will listen to us, because that's what they're about. And they've been making these profits at the expense of millions of Nigerian consumers who don't even know what they're being charged for. I mean, how can a bank write in your statement and say, no description, 750 naira. No description. Is no description a service? So we have seen a whole lot of things. The banks just take advantage, and we are encouraging Nigerian consumers that together, it's not every day everybody goes to the bank, but on this particular day, let's all consciously have what we call a bank fast to press home our displeasure. Because when they don't get their target income for that day, they should listen to the voice of the consumer that these people are not happy, and then they should come to a table and let us renegotiate the terms of this contract. And that's inclusive of CBN.